Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where you guys are going to learn how to sell on Amazon for free. And it's also a good place for you guys to network with other sellers. So with that said, here is my video for today. So product research, right? You would open up your supplier website. So it's this one. And then you would also open up your Amazon website, right? So this one is going to be a clear skip because this one is has an IP alert, which means this brand is known to file IP complaints. So IP complaints are intellectual property complaints, which means the brands are not allowing us resellers to sell their brand, right? So this pop-up right here is from this website or software called IP Alert. I highly recommend this one. I'll probably post the link in my description below too. And that way you guys can get IP alert right for yourselves to protect yourselves from IP complaints. So there's that. So this one is going to be a skip, obviously, because we don't want to sell a product that's going to get us in trouble with Amazon, right? So this one's going to be a skip. All right. Next one is a WWE 2K23 Xbox Series game. So again, we just need to compare if the products are matching, which I think they are. Xbox Series X, okay, same. So condition is new, standard edition. Okay, so the product's cost is $11.25. So I would plug the cost here. It's giving us a negative ROI, right? Right here. So I would just check the other sellers and see if there's a possibility to make some money from this product. So, man, this one is not really good because it's giving you a negative ROI, right, to begin with. There's also 54 sellers on the listing, which is a lot. And this product is only getting 67 sales a month. It also has a variation. So I'm going to scroll down the variations tab here. Right there. I would look for the exact variation, which this one. Xbox Series X, standard. I would check the exact sales per variation. Okay, so this one, it seems like it's getting 100% of all the sales, which means it's getting 67 sales a month. But even then, right, I don't think this one's a good product because it's giving you a negative 18% ROI to begin with. And there's also 54 sellers on the listing. So, yeah, this one there's way too many sellers on the listing here. So this one, I'll probably skip. Next one is Dunkin' Donuts coffee. So 18-ounce French vanilla roast and ground coffee. Let's see this one. French vanilla, ground coffee, 18 ounce, packaging may vary. So to me, they look like the same exact product, right? The cost is $11.48. So again, I would plug this here, $11.48. Sales per month is 21. ROI is at 10%. Let's see the other sellers. So this product is only giving you 10% to 19% ROI, which is, pretty below our standards. This one is only selling 21 times a month. But the good thing, though, is that there's only 6 sellers on the listing, right? And this is how much they have in inventory. So, I mean, it's a pretty decent ratio, right? 21 sales a month shared by these other sellers with this much inventory. I mean, the ROI is not the best. So, I mean, this one's going to be up to you guys. I think it's decent. I'm okay with a lower ROI if there's less competition on the listing. So this one I might consider buying. As far as the Keepa chart, I mean, the price is kind of all over the place. If you look here, um, yeah, so it started at like $29 back in December, and then now it's kind of like dropping down to, well, it dropped here because Amazon like jumped on the listing. So this is gonna be like another risk for you guys. Amazon jumped on the listing and they dropped the price like $12, right? So if you run the numbers, if Amazon goes back on the listing and sells this product at $12, you're gonna be at a negative, right? So I mean, but Amazon left the listing here, so if you guys can see, it jumped up to like $23, and then recently the peak is at $27. So the risk here is that when Amazon jumps on the listing, you're going to be at a negative ROI, right? But then again, they were only here for a few days and then they left. So depending on your risk tolerance, right, it's going to be up to you if you want to buy this or not. But with this type of risk, and then looking at the sales per month, right, at 21, and looking at the ROI at 10, I don't even think it's worth the risk, right? It's just way too risky for such a low amount of sales per month with low ROI, right? Hope that makes sense. So to me, I'll probably just skip this one because Amazon was on the listing. The sales per month is not even worth the risk, and the ROI is on the low side, 10%. So next product. So this one is a General Tools, 1 4-inch straight, and number 2 cross point ratchet. It's a screwdriver. Okay. So it looks like the same product. The cost of this product is $3.99. So again, we plug it here. So Amazon's on the listing, right? Sale price is $11.49. It's giving you a negative 2% ROI, which is pretty common when Amazon is on the listing, because they usually jack down the price, and I don't know why they do that, but they do. So there's that. This one is going to be a no automatically for me because Amazon's on the listing, and they're pricing the product at $11.49 right here, which gives me a negative 2% ROI, and they also have so much inventory. So, man, and if you look at the listing here on Keepa, they've been on the listing in the past 3 months, man, the whole year actually. And they're pricing this at $11.49, right? So there's no way for me to compete with Amazon because of their pricing right now. If you want to go deeper, you can also look at SellerAmp and look at buy box statistics. So if you guys can see here, Amazon is getting 100% of all the sales. So obviously, I'm not going to compete with Amazon in this case. There's other instances where it's okay to jump on a listing that's Amazon's on it, but for this instance, it's not going to be a good idea because they're taking 100% of all the sales, and they're also pricing the product very low. That gives you a low ROI, or a negative ROI. So hopefully you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.